Hello from another beach where clothing is optional. This is Platja de Valencia and it's both nudist and clothed beach together. It is 6:30 p.m. and a wonderful afternoon here as the sun is setting down. And yes, I'm here exploring the coast of Valencia, and this is Platja de Valencia as it is called. And as I mentioned, it's both nudist and public beach as such combined. I saw few naked people walking by, but there are also some people with clothes, so it's a mixed one. And it's quite nice to be able to take a swim nude in the sea. It's amazing. So yeah, there's the beach as you can see, and that's the sunset that is coming very soon. So I have a few more beach stops until I end the beach adventures for today. Now we are around 10 to 12 kilometers approximately away from the central Valencia. So there is one more big beach coming up, Platja del Saler. And this is probably one of the last nudist beach here that I visit in Valencia. So let's not wait any longer and jump in right away. Amazing, beautiful, beautiful. Valencia offers both culture, history, architecture, science, arts, of course, and beach adventures. So yes, this is the beach, and make sure to tune in also later because I will show you the beach as I walk by. And I can see clearly now also the main monuments in Valencia, so that means I'm approaching the center. I have been walking so far all day long, 32,000 steps so far. Yep, that's right. And the day is not over yet. We will have some few more spots that I will show you, and you can see for yourself and choose which beach you want to visit when you're in Valencia. As I mentioned, this is Platja de Valencia that has both nudist and clothed parts as well. And yes, people are enjoying themselves, so that's great on this wonderful Monday. Yes, 2nd of October. I didn't mention that. At current temperature is 26 degrees Celsius, so quite nice and pleasant. Yes, it is time to wrap up from this nudist beach where clothing is optional, so not mandatory. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!